Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make some chicken parm. Two things to note: I use regular sized chicken breasts and cut them horizontally so that they can still keep the chicken breast shape but not be as thick as regular chicken breasts. If you want to buy thinly sliced chicken breasts, you can. I do think that it won't be as thick and as meaty, but you can do whatever fits for you. Second thing is I let my chicken breast marinate in a buttermilk and egg mixture with seasoning for maybe about an hour and a half. You can do it longer if you like, or even shorter to 30 minutes. The seasonings I use are Italian seasoning, cayenne pepper, oregano. I always use Tony Chachere's. If you don't know, now you know. I also use black pepper and garlic powder. I season every single mixture, okay? I don't use every single seasoning for every single mixture, but I definitely make sure I put a little sprinkle, okay, in each bowl because it might lose the seasoning and I want that stuff to be flavored. While I'm breading my chicken, I am making sure that my grease is getting nice and hot for my chicken. As far as frying time, it really depends on the thickness of your chicken breast and how hot your grease is. So use your best judgment. Don't overcook it though, because it is going to go in the oven later and you don't want dry chicken. I definitely heat up my sauce prior to putting everything in the oven at 425 for about 8 minutes. You can put sauce on the bottom if you like. This time I chose not to put sauce on the bottom. I just really wanted to stay crispy, and I've done it where you put the sauce on the bottom and it's still just as crispy, but I just wasn't really in a saucy mood this time around. I used both mozzarella and Parmesan cheese because I just love those two cheeses together. So good with the chicken parm. So make sure you get your pasta going, put that salt in that water, the butter, and then boom, you got some chicken parm, baby. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments if you tried it. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.